What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and whatever else you could be? Welcome back, and today we have another diecast review, and this is a Robert Wickens 2018 IndyCar made by Greenlight in both 118 and 164 scale. We're going to go over the 118 scale first and just sort of highlight some of the things on the 164. This car is weird. The reason I say that is because it's the only 118 by Greenlight this year to have the number panel not on. Just the solid number that started being a thing at Indianapolis for the Grand Prix. However, it has Flexbox on the front wing. And Flexbox has not been a sponsor of Robert Wickens since St. Petersburg. So, and also there was more sponsors like Cypress and all that on this car for the Indy 500, so you can't really call it an Indy 500 car. It's weird. It's just a generalized car, I guess. But anyways, on the front wing, you do have Flexbox, and then Schmidt, Peterson, Dallara, Verizon IndyCar Series, Honda, Aero, 6, Lucas Oil. On the wing, you have Stutz, and then you have Gen Mill, Gen Turn, something. Firestone, and then you got your Schmidt decaling, or your Schmidt design on the side. Also on the Hinchcliffe car, which I've never actually thrown up the review of. It's a little bit different. On the Hinchcliffe car, it's a little bit less bold, as you can see, kind of. On the Wickens car, it's more bold. But anyways, on the side, you have Lucas, Robert Wickens. And one nice thing is you do have the neon yellow spotters tape on the rollover hoop. Greenlight underneath, which that actually, I believe, transferred over from Hinchcliffe's car for the 500. So the nose is St. Petersburg. This part here is Indianapolis, the roll hoop, and then the rest of it's just sort of a mishmash. I don't know. Anyways, on the tiny little shark fin thingy, Honda, and then you have Aero on the engine cover. Petro Canada, lubricants, and then you have all these sponsors and blah, blah, blah. Firestone tires, of course, the small little 6 on the back, and Lucas Oil. On the very back, and I believe this is the only car to have this. I do not think the other rookie cars, including the heads up one is Matthias Leist, but I don't think he has the yellow on the crash box, the attenuator, but I don't know. Anyways, you can see the diffuser, the standard things for Greenlight, the wing angle adjustments back there, which is a really cool detail. This car looks really cool on the on the UAK for the Speedway Aero kit. It's really cool to see it. Back here, actually, is something cool. It's actually a chunk of Robert Wickens' nose from when he crashed following qualifying. You can see the color match is actually really good. Actually, it's a little bit less chrome on the actual nose than it is on the car, but the chrome is beautiful. And we're going to put the Hinchcliffe car next to it. Actually, shove that back there. Put the Hinchcliffe car there. And then we're going to look at the 164. So I have a problem with this car. Yeah, the red's not right. Now, what I mean by that is, on the Hinchcliffe car, they did a metallic gold on it. So at least it gave the illusion of actually being, sort of being gold, chromy. However, it's not like that on this car. It's just sort of odd. Also, it doesn't match the Hinchcliffe car because the decaling actually extends all the way back past the those vents back there by the engine cover, but it's a small detail to pick out. Obviously, you're missing the mirrors, but one good detail is it actually has a It actually has a highlighted rollover hoop, which is a very nice small detail. It's a very nice thing to add in there. Okay, I thought the diffuser was different for whatever reason. And again, it has the crash box detail on the back. I mean, it's good. It's just the color just doesn't look right. It throws this car off big time. It just doesn't look right to me, having it as plain red. I mean, again, if they would have done like the metallic gold like they did on the Hinchcliffe, or the metallic red like the metallic gold that they put on the Hinchcliffe car, this car would have been perfect. But, you know, it's whatever. They look good as teammates, though. They in 164 and 118, they both look really, really solid together. Yeah. So we're gonna go back and focus on the 118 for a second. So my little complaint on both is this: the number. So why would I care about the number being there? Yes, it's accurate to IndyCars ever since post. Wow, the thing that's holding my phone up is actually in shot. But anyways, it's accurate for post Indianapolis, or actually, I believe it'd be post NOLA, or not NOLA. Excuse me, that's not been there for a while. Anyways, post Barber, that's it. So, I would have been okay if they would have put the LED panel on there, like this, like on the Hinchcliffe car. I would have been okay with that because at least it would have matched the rest of the series. I mean, albeit these cars did not come out, or they were produced before the number panels got sent away and cast into the land of broken stuff. But I would have been completely fine if they would have put the LED panel on both the 118 and 164, so it would match the rest of the Indy cars released. It's a small complaint. It's like a me thing. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Tell me in the comments. Do you think that they should have put the LED panel on there, or do you think it's fine the way it is? It's up to you guys, but in my opinion, it stands firm on that. Another thing is this little antenna doesn't stick out as bad as it does on the Hinchcliffe car, even though, again, it's still the flat red. It's a simple complaint, as always, but either way, this car looks bloody fantastic. I mean, every little detail of it. I mean, the 6 car even has a little bit of red chrome on the outline on the rear wing, and yeah, it just looks awesome. It really does. And again, here's an actual piece of the car to compare the color to. It looks right. And yeah, it's great to have both of the Schmidt cars. It would have been even cooler to see a Jay Howard car. Now, that's an idea for the future there, Greenlight. Possibly this fall when you come up with your random ass releases like you always do. Might as well throw a Jay Howard in there since you got 2 of the 3. Just a thought. But it'd be cool to see the green car for sure. But anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the review of the Robert Wickens 118 and 164. Drop a like, subscribe. Check out the Rain Race podcast on GT Rain's YouTube. He should really change it back to either Deductive Rain or hell, Racing Nation TV. Chris, you really should. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.